For suburban gardens, Ryobi has a perfect solution for people who no longer need large cumbersome mowers. It's this, the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus battery-powered mower. It gives you around 30 minutes run time on a fully charged 4-amp battery. That's enough power to mow a small to medium-sized lawn, roughly 2 tennis courts. Because it's super lightweight, pushing it is a breeze, so you'll find it easy to manoeuvre around trees and other obstacles. And its 36cm wide deck means more mowing in less time. It has 5 height settings which are easy to adjust to make sure you get the right length of lawn you're after. And the 45-litre catcher will collect all your grass clippings for a clean finish. The easy fold-down handles are designed for compact storage, while this red safety key prevents accidental starting, so it's safe around kids. Here's a tip, a mower's a maintenance tool, so if your lawn's a little long to start with, it pays to slash it with a line trimmer. It'll make mowing so much easier. So forget about large, bulky mowers or messing around with fuel. Get your hands on a cordless mower from Ryobi. Your lawns will be a cut above.
Ryobi, a cut above.